So I think this is a good starting point, and Imral has done well. At least now we can compare the platforms and then, really decide. I think I really like the way he did those.
Those home pages.
Yes.
I love that too. I like the EOS homepage. I think that looks fantastic.
Yes.
Very well thought out. Great job.
Yes. So are those links clickable? Can you click if you click those links? Okay. So this is still the public view.
Fantastic.
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 I don't think we'll need training. Like I said, we're evaluating both tools, honestly, and you've done a fantastic job. This is a full-fledged system we could use by itself. So,
any thoughts?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So first of all, fantastic, amazing job. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The EOS page looks fantastic. Let's click through and just make sure that we understand how it works.
Sure.
The SOP delivery, that's very big for us. So amazing work.